Taurus. Alright, song that's playing for you. Thought I was playing. So look, somebody thought you was playing, Taurus. Somebody thought you was Cap. Or you thought somebody was playing with you, Taurus. You don't have to let me know what you talking about. Whether you thought somebody was playing with you or someone thought you was playing with them and they came in for a rude awakening when they found out Taurus was defensive towards the situation or the space Taurus used to participate in. Taurus don't want to heal nothing no more, or you may be dealing with an Aquarius. You don't gotta be though. You feel me? But Taurus is like Taurus. You thought Taurus was fucking around when Taurus said, I ain't participating in this energy no more. I ain't kicking it with these folk. Motherfuckers is weak because Taurus is defensive now. Taurus don't see a passion the same no more, so Taurus went ahead and pulled out before it busts. You feel me? If you caught that, good. I ain't talking about sex neither. I'm talking about life. You pulled out of a space before shit hit the fan. You foresaw something not going your way, or someone foresaw something not going their way in regards to a situation with you, so you ended it. Now, look, I told you, someone may be kind of weak over what? A cycle coming to completion. They want to heal something with you, Taurus, or you want to heal something with somebody, but the cycle's already completed in reality. You don't have to let me know what page you on, what's your shoe size. Can't tell you how big your foot is, only you can tell me that. I'm just here to show you the catalog and selection. But yeah, so someone thought you was playing, or you thought someone was playing. Look, come on now. You're not happy about the outcome of something, or you became aware of something that ain't make you so happy. Alright, so truth was revealed or truth was expressed to you, Taurus. And that truth don't got you, that shit don't got you too bright. You thought someone was playing when they said something, but then shit came to pass. Now you don't like the outcome of a situation. You're not happy about what's revealed with the moon in reverse. There's some dirty secrets. Alright, it's a little bit dirt. Taurus is not happy in the space they're in though. You just not seen the way you want to be seen in regards to a space you're involved in. You seen negatively instead of positively. Look, in regards to something you working on. You may still be currently involved in this space and or energy. Lovers in reverse. On the bottom, you fell out of love with something and now you ain't happy no more, but you still working on it. Or you still involved in that space. You don't really fuck with these people. These people don't make you enlightened in a higher way. They make you enlightened in a lower way. But it's like you still involved, you still kicking it with them folk. Song that's playing for you, 10 Rams with Jose. Come on, you gotta give me, I can't not say the rest of the song. Can't not say oh my God, Pandora. Curvio, there you go. Look, you might be stuck in your mind, or you used to be in your mind in regards to the situation. Look, it was the moon and then we'll flip by that. You did something or you expressed something, you went in a new direction, and you fell out of love with that direction. You're not happy in the space you in. You don't like the enlightenment you became aware of. You may not like what you're working on or what you're involved in, but you still participating in it. Yeah, I don't like this job, but I'm gonna still do it though. I still need that check though. Someone outside of you is out of their head in regards to a space they share. You may still be in your head because the Eight of Swords is on Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords is on the bottom. You may still be thinking about something. You may still want to work on something because you don't like the outcome of a situation. You don't like the turnouts of something. You don't like the way you see something, or you don't like the way you're seen. You're naked in a situation, and you may not be naked in a positive way. Someone may see through you in a sense, or see you clearly now in a space. Look, Wheel of Fortune in reverse. You may be on the wrong side of a karma. You may be on the wrong side of karma in regards to a situation you still involving yourself with. You accepted some emotions or feelings that probably weren't yours. It was immature feelings and emotions, and thinking it would bring you balance, third dimensional balance. Look, but now you may be wishing you didn't go in a direction, or you didn't accept feelings from somebody, or you didn't open up or invest in something. It's like now you still got to do the job, but now you don't like the job you're doing. You still got to participate in the space. You still talking to these friends. You still communicating with these associations, these thoughts, these ideas. You still associating yourself with these feelings, even though they don't bring you the enlightenment and or the freedom or the happiness you want. Wrong side of karma. You out your head about it. It's like you're not happy in the space. You're aware. It's not like you're not aware. You just don't like what you're aware of, but you're still working on something. You feel me? If you in a funky space right now. It's like you holding on to something even though you don't like what you holding on to. Look, because you don't think you can go in a new direction in regards to a situation with heartbreak. The 2 of Wands is on the bottom. You got the 2 and the 3. You feel me? Whether you went in a direction you wish you didn't go in, or you just don't look, you holding back you holding your tongue now, Taurus. In regards to what you want to separate from something, or you want to walk away from something emotionally because it ain't no longer passionate. You ain't no longer passionate about it. You don't want to go on these business endeavors with these people. You don't want to go to this job no more. It ain't true to what you are, but you already been representing something. It's like you've been spitting something so hard. It's a little too late to just try to up and pull out. You dig me? It's like you already impregnated this space, but yet you trying to pull out before you bust more thoughts, ideas, and feelings in it. You feel me? It's too late. It's too late. You feel me? So now you out your mind in regards to a situation, but the cycle is complete in the sense where you're aware of your space. You're aware of the situation you're in. You just don't want to be a part of it no more, but you're still a part of it. You're still a part of something. It's like you're still attached to a space, or connected to a space, or codependent on a space. You feel me? And that may be having you in a lower light, a lower sense of freedom, or a lower sense of openness. You may think you happy, but you're not. Because the sun is in reverse. You may know you're not happy though, but just like you trying to work on it to make, you shouldn't have to, happiness should just come to you. You shouldn't have to fight for happiness, but it looked like you trying to fight for your happiness. Yeah, not fight for happiness in the sense where if you're in a space and you're not happy, it's because you're not going to be happy in the space. You feel me? It should just flow to you. You shouldn't have to put that, look, emotionally confused. You don't know how to feel about something you're working on because it's not true to you. What's wrong with this? Ass drop. Someone put the ass on you and you bust it. You nutted. Now you impregnated that space with your mentalities, your ideas, your feelings. You got that space knocked up. Now you attached to the space. I told you something. You got the sun and the moon in reverse. You became aware of some shit. Now look, you gotta make a decision between two truths. Are you gonna make the decision to say, I don't even got decisions. What are you talking about? Choices. All right. Look, something used to be a party. Or it's because of a celebration. It's like something is camouflaged as emotional celebration, or something was camouflaged as emotional celebration. Something was camouflaged to help assist you or help you put burdens down in some way, shape, or form. So it's like you win in that endeavor. You win in that direction because you saw emotional celebration only to find out it's hella work and you're not happy. You out your head in regards to the space because you know it ain't what you thought it was. You feel me? But it's a little too late. Karma on the bottom. And the Wheel of Fortune done turned. It's like you figure it out after you done dipped your toe in it. I mean, it's like you ain't dipped your toe in to check the water temperature. See, you may want something to end, or you not ending something that need to end. You feel me? With death. You need to be the Grim Reaper right now. You need to be defensive, or you just are defensive, but you may not be ending something. I can't spell sober. I hate being sober. See, it's like you running away from your problems almost. I ain't gonna be sober right now. I ain't gonna address that right now. You know what it is you need to know about a situation. You out your head regarding the situation. You just on the wrong side of karma regarding the situation. Now you're not happy about the enlightenment or the awareness or how you're seen in the space. You're the sun in your reality from your perspective of life, and you are not being seen the way you want to be seen because of something you worked on that you thought was emotional fulfillment. You accepted emotional investments or a youthful or a young spirited emotional based idea or mentality, and you harbor that, and it put you on a path that you don't want to go on no more. No reason, 'cause we can still so. Look, You want to emotionally walk away from something, or you already emotionally walked away from something. Look, that you need to end, but it ain't ending. So you meant emotionally, you're not invested in this relationship no more. You're not invested in this job anymore. You don't really care about it because you did some hermit work. You took a deeper introspect in regards to a space. You out your head. See, you out your head, but it's like you out your head after you finish. You already started. You already about halfway through or quarter of the way through the space you in. You could have stopped, but you didn't. Now we throwing money on the bitches, all the shits walk around.